This video looks at downloading videos from YouTube to play in Notebook. Some of the reasons for downloading from YouTube are you might not have internet at school, you possibly have internet at home and you're able to download a video there and then take it to show your students in the classroom. Your internet at school is not strong and takes a long time to play a video. Often we see when we go live in the classroom that the video begins to buffer. That's that little circle when it's loading up again, and that can cause a lot of frustration with the students and with the teachers themselves. Finally, you can play the video anytime. So if you need to go back and find that video and show the students again what they've seen, you can get that video, show it to them, you can use it for revision, and it's accessible to you anytime. Inserting a video into a lesson. Firstly, we need to know how we insert the video before we even go and get it. So to insert a video into our lesson, we would simply click on the Insert button on Toolbar 1, go down to Video and click on Video. I already have a video waiting, so I'm going to double click and open that video. As you can see, this video takes up a lot of space on my screen, so I'd like to resize it. I'm going to go down to the resize handle on the bottom left of this video, make it slightly smaller, and then move it into the middle where I'll be able to play it. Video moves along and we can play it in our lesson. In order for us to insert a video into Smart Notebook, we have to use a specific video format, and that video format is known as .flv or Flash Video. When we insert a video into our notebook file, along the bottom it tells us what type of video we can insert, a Flash video file. Therefore, when we download a video, we must remember to download the FLV video. Let's go have a look-see how we can download an FLV video. The way in which we're going to download the videos today is by going on and using an online program, which means it's on the internet. You don't have a software program that you're going to use or you've downloaded before. If that is your preferred way of downloading videos, carry on doing that. This is just a simple suggestion for online downloading. So the first thing we need to do is go and open a web page. My home page is set at Google. So the first page we want to open is YouTube. I'm going to click on the address bar and type in www.youtube.com. Now, in order for this activity to work, I need to have two web pages open. The YouTube page showing the video and my downloading page so that I can pull it from the internet. And the way in which I go and open two web pages is by clicking on the tab icon at the top. Now, if you go look at the top, next to where it explains what your web page is, YouTube, you should see a gray square or block or rectangle. If I hover my mouse over it, it says New Tab. You click on that, and now I have two web pages open at the same time. The web page we're going to use today is www.keepvid.com. There's a simple layout of KeepVid. Now, straight from the beginning, I need to warn you about the advertising that happens on this page. In the middle of the page, you'll see advertisement, and there is a big dummy button called download. Now, if I was to click on download, that would take me to one of their advertisements. The only download we're going to use when we get to downloading is the download at the end of this section where you can see download. On the KeepVid page, I have an area where I can enter the link of the video, and that's what we're looking for, the link or the URL, the video's address on the internet. I'm going to go back to YouTube and I'm going to go and look for right-angled triangles. I now have a variety of videos dealing with right-angled triangles. It's at this point I'd like to suggest that you watch the video from the beginning to the end before you show it to your students. We never know what some people might have added into that video. I'm going to choose the first video, how to find the area of a right-angled triangle, and click on that. I'm just going to pause that while we carry on with this demonstration. Now, we needed the link to the video or the video URL address so that we can put that into KeepVid to record it. I simply right click on the video and the first line says copy video URL. Certain web browsers will allow you to copy it straight away just by clicking it. My one asks me to right click again and copy the address. I then go to keep vid and right click in the block where it asks me to enter the link. I then click paste and there is the address. Now, reminding you, do not go to the download underneath it. Follow it to the end of the line and click download. Now, if this is the first time you're using this program, you might have to download another application called Java. When you click on the download and it tells you need to load Java, follow the prompts and download Java. In this instance, my Java is out of date and I need to update it. Update, and it'll take me to the Java page. Click on the free Java download, agree to it, and you'll be prompted to run. Then install it. We'll close that. Now it will ask you to verify. Back at the keep vid page, we click download again. And it'll bring up a warning security. You can click always trust this content and click run. And there we have our options. The different formats of the video that I can download. And remember, we're looking for an FLV. You'll notice that there's 3 FLV videos here, and the sizes vary depending on how your internet works. If you have uncapped, then I'd say go for the biggest file. If you have a limited capping, then I'd go for a smaller file. I'm going to click on the smallest one purely for time's sake today. Then ask me, where do I want to save it? I'm going to go save it on my desktop for this lesson. I'm going to minimize, and there you can see the video on my desktop. Now I need to go back to my notebook because I'd like to insert it into my notebook. I'm then going to add a blank page, and if you remember, I click insert video. This time it's on my desktop. How to find the area of a right angled triangle, and I click on that.
Okay, welcome to our math session with me,
and now I have a video that I can use in my lesson. And there you have it. That's how you get a YouTube video from the internet onto your computer and into your notebook lesson. We will be looking at when you use videos in your lessons in another video. Important points to remember. Open 2 tabs at the same time, one for YouTube and one for KeepVid. Always watch the video in its entirety first before playing it to your students. If this is the first time you are using KeepVid, you might have to download or update Java. Follow the prompts and install it. Some computers might need to be restarted after the install. Remember, you're looking to download the FLV format of video. Remember your bandwidth. If you have uncapped, go for the bigger video. The quality will be better. And it's a good idea to save the video file in your folder where your lessons are being saved. That way you'll be able to find it a lot quicker. Here is a flow diagram of the process. Why don't you pause the video, read through the steps, check that you've done, and then you should have your video that you can go and put into your notebook file. Thank you for watching this video brought to you by the Technology Training Academy.